Meaning of index linking.
Index linking.
Index linking.
Index linking.
Index linking. Index linking refers to an adjustment made to financial values, such as wages, pensions or interest rates, in order to keep pace with inflation and maintain their real value over time. This adjustment is typically based on a specific inflation index, such as the Consumer Price Index, CPI. When an asset is index-linked, the value changes automatically in relation to changes in the inflation index. For example, if wages are index-linked, they will rise in line with inflation, ensuring that workers' purchasing power remains constant. Similarly, index-linked bonds offer investors protection against inflation by periodically adjusting the coupon payments.